What's up, guys? We're back with another 2-Minute Tuesday, and this time we're back about to install some LED side markers for the CT4-V Blackwing. Well, let's go. Whoa.
Whoa, how did that happen?
Alright guys, so what he has in his hands right now are some LED side markers for the front of the CT4-V Blackwing.
Because it doesn't have any on the back.
Yeah, none on the back, straight up. But I got these off of Amazon for this bugga. I think they were around like $45. So yeah, that's how they look. Now it should be a plug and play. So here we go.
Jordy.
All right, so step one is to turn your wheel all the way to the left so you can reach the inside of your wheel well.
All right, so this is like a little screwdriver thingy with a ratchet on it, and that's an external Torx bit. I'll get back to you when I know what size it is.
Guys, so first step is to do that. Next step is to grab your
T15 external Torx bit. I got this little ratchet thingy here that fits in there, and you're gonna want to unscrew these here next to here so you can stick your fingies in there and twist out.
All right, so once you got all two of the screws there out, all you have to do now is pull back on this liner.
I'm gonna pull out the bumper a little bit to give myself space to get this bad boy out, and I should be able to reach in here.
Okay, so quick disclaimer if you're about to do this to your CT4-V Blackwing.
Yeah, so these little side marker things that you replace on the Camaro, which easily come out with clips, these you need to remove the bumper up this far because this screw right here needs to come out for you to be able to remove this.
Yeah, so that's a little bit of a design flaw, but
Yeah,
here we go.
annoying.
We're about to do it.
Yeah, this is like the only video I've seen so far because there's only forum posts about this that aren't helpful at all.
Yeah, so hopefully we are helpful to you and you
Yeah.
don't have to go through this trouble.
We're cool guys.
All right, guys, so what we're doing is we have a wrench right there, or pliers.
Yeah, and the Torx bit's right on it because I don't have anything small enough to fit inside here. And then I'm like individually turning this little thing. But you can see it's already like coming out a little bit. Wait, hold up.
Once it's out, guys, all you have to do
Pull
is
it out like that.
Pull it out. When she says pull out, but you don't, that's what you're supposed to not do now. And there's this little clip. You just want to clip it off. Yep.
Alright, so I pushed this red thing all the way back, and now I'm going to stick the pick in here to lift up this little plastic thing, and then it comes out like that.
Easy, like 1, 2, 3. And now, peel it off.
Yeah. I guess it's flat on the top and curved on the bottom.
Yep. You can just plug and play, boys. Plug and play.
Yeah.
Then after you plug that in, you might want to test it before you put it back in, just because it takes a bugga to get it out. So he's going to turn the car on. And they do indeed look very nice.
Okay, so there's a little tab on the bottom right here that I'm going to stick into this hole. Yes. And then I'm going to press it back into place. And then now I'm going to have to put the screw that goes here back in.
Yep. Alright guys, so once you put it back in, you just have to reverse the process. Screw that one screw, put the thingy on, and then screw all the wheel well wall things.
Yeah, it was actually pretty simple putting it in. The only thing that was kind of difficult for us is finding this front screw up here holding it in, which you have to actually pop out the bumper up on the top for, which was kind of annoying. And then it's at a weird angle, so you have to bend it out a little bit to get that 7mm socket. That's what it was.
There you go, boys. Yeah. So we're about to do this to the next side, but we're not going to make you watch that. So.
Oh.
All right. So we just time skipped. We got this man now, and look at that finished product.
Cool. Yeah, we out here. We just put it back together after losing a screw, so that's why it's dark now because it took us forever. But it's actually pretty dope looking.
Yeah, look at that, guys. I think it goes very well with the side LEDs right there. Makes the car look clean overall.
Much agreed.
So yeah, that is it for this 2-Minute Tuesday. Hopefully you guys actually learned something, because there's actually no video out there like this.
Yeah, it took us a while to figure out how to take it out because the Camaro just has clips that you press like that and it comes out. This one you gotta like unclip the entire top of the bumper, and it was kind of annoying.
Yeah.
And I dropped my bits and stuff like inside the bumper like 5 times, and it's kind of annoying.
A little bit of an L, but
Yeah.
we got it done and it looks amazing. So
Does.
yeah, if you guys like the video, like it, comment, subscribe, tune in Friday, because you know there's a banger coming.
Yeah, I'll be banging.